Hello everyone, I hope you guys didn't miss me too much. Today we're gonna do some really cool stuff. It's gonna be another mind-bending, trippy makeup illusion. I'm so ready to show you guys, so here we go. Boom! I know this is really crazy, so take your time, let your eyes adjust. This was done mostly by makeup, a little bit of prosthetics. Also, make sure you guys stay till the end to watch the reactions from my family and friends. You don't want to miss out. So here's a picture of what I'm gonna do today. One of my viewers, oops, bad zooming, she sent this to me on my Instagram DM and told me to recreate this. I'm not sure who the creator is, but I did a similar look to this 6 or 7 years ago on my Facebook. You guys can see the photo right here. A lot of people said the flipped face kind of looked like Bethany Mota, which was kind of funny. So yeah, we're gonna do this. Oh my gosh, guys, look at my neck. It's so red. It must be an allergy. Okay, let's do the brows first. So I'm taking this Elmers Washable glue, and for some reason, I can't open it, guys. I'm an independent woman, so I'm going to try to open it myself. Okay, maybe I should call Steve. All right, I got it. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to take the Elmer's glue and start concealing the brows. So one direction, I'm just going to press the brows. Once the brow hairs are nicely laid, I'm going to take this Motive Cosmetics concealer and cover up the brows. So it's really important to cover up the brows because I'm going to draw another set of brows underneath my eyes for this look. You guys can see me here. I'm just blending the concealer. You guys might want to do it a couple more times with the concealer and powder just to make sure that the brows are fully covered. Right now, I'm just going to apply foundation to the rest of my face and extra on my neck. So since we're doing an upside down face, I'm going to do reverse highlighting. So instead of drawing the triangle underneath the eyes, I'm going to make it above. This is probably where the brow bone is going to be, so I'm just going to do the highlighting for the brow bone as well. And then let's not forget underneath the nose and then the chin, which is going to be my forehead. For contouring, it's going to be reversed as well. So I'm making the cheekbones on my forehead, and then the forehead of the face is right across my face. Okay, you guys are probably super confused right now, but yeah, everything is upside down, guys. Let's not forget the baking, guys. So for the first time ever, I'm going to bake my eyebrows. After that, I'm going to dust it, set everything, and then I'm going to build a new nose. So I'm going to use the Ben Nice Nose and Scar Wax. I've always just like fixed the tip of my nose with this, but today it's going to be a full-on new nose. To help stick this on, I like using Pro's Aid because when you move your forehead, sometimes the wax can fall off. So once you have that on, press on the nose, and you just have to be very patient because it can be really sticky. So make sure you have a lot of napkin beside you and just start shaping. This could probably take about like 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, the shape is coming out now. I can kind of see it. It kind of looks just like my nose on the bottom. And by the way, guys, I have amazing sense of smell now that I have two noses. Now I'm just applying foundation. Make sure that it completely matches with the rest of my face. And then we can move on to the brows. So now to do the flipped brows, I'm going to take a dark brow pomade. And this is just how I normally shape my brows. So just doing the same on both sides. Today is the first time I'll be using my Naked Cherry eyeshadow palette. Not sure why it took this long, but I'm taking that beautiful eyeshadow right there and then applying it underneath my eyes, like how I would normally apply on my lids. Let's darken it a little bit more. So I'm going to choose this dark maroon eyeshadow and then go really close to that lash line. The eye makeup is going to be really simple, so let's move on to the eyeliner. For the eyeliner, I'm using LA Splash's Glitter Plus Liner Duo, and you guys can see I'm making the wing on the outer corners of my eyes facing downwards. I had to point out the inner corners to make the eyes look like they're turned upwards. Then I went to the lashes. So for the lashes, I'm using these pair of Lily lashes. So just like how you would put on a lower lash, put the glue on that way, and then gently go underneath your lower lashes and just wait till it dries. I'm done with the eyes. They were super easy. Now we're gonna move on to the cheeks. So I'm taking this Too Faced blush and applying it to my forehead, which is my cheek today. And after that, I'm going to take a nude lip liner and draw out my lips. So yeah, you want to do this first. I'm not sure what color I'm going to use, probably pink or red, or mix them together. Whoa, I was staring at my eyes and it looks like I'm upside down looking underneath the camera. Okay, that is really creepy. After shading my lips, I'm going to shade the nostrils of my nose. It doesn't have a lot of shape going on, so I think that is going to help a lot. And then I think we're basically done with the face. To take it to the next level, I grabbed this curly brown wig and I'm going to tie two of the pieces behind my head so it kind of covers my mouth like a mask. I can breathe perfectly fine, although I do have a lot of hair in my mouth and it's not fun. So once that's tied up, I'm also gonna tie like right there where my hands are, and it looks like she has a ponytail. Oh my gosh, did I just say she? Okay, we need to give her a name ASAP, guys. Let me know in the comments. After that, I'm going to put on this hat. I think I probably got the allergy from this hat now that I think about it, guys. It's been there on the side of my garage getting dusty. Okay, but I look cute. So now let me just read some of my book. Oh, I need to flip it so I can read it properly and then put on my sunglasses. So there it is, guys. That is my completed upside down face tutorial. It was super easy, but the result was really trippy. Thank you guys so much for watching. And now I'm gonna go scare my family and friends.
You guys open your eyes?
Okay, ready, set, open.
Ah! Oh my god!
What's that? No, don't touch. That's weird. No.
Wait, did you attach another nose?
Wait, I'm
on
sorry.
your forehead? No, stop touching me.
No, it's really weird. I can't like.
We did not come out from the same room.
Yeah, it's like really weird. Like I see when I look upside down,
we
I
watch
see.
her like this.
Yeah, do it.
Ew, she looks so pretty.
All right, I think we're ready for the mom and dad.
Mommy, you gave birth to that creature.
It's so creepy, right? Babe. It's weird. It's like
That means, oh my gosh.
it's like
Doesn't mommy look like this?
I feel like your like mind wants to flip you, but we can't. Ducky,
Yeah?
open your eyes. Stare right at her.
Wait, I'm so confused.
It's so weird.
I can't say anything right now. Wait, it's like, I was not expecting this at all. So I turn my head? Oh my god.